method-based access control can be circumvented. So what method are they talking about? So let's see that. This lab implements access control based partly on the HTTP request methods. You can familiarize yourself with the admin panel by logging in using the credentials administrator admin. To solve the lab, log in using the credentials of this user and exploit the flawed access control to promote yourself to become an administrator. So Wiener has to promote himself to become an admin. So for that, we will use this admin user and try to understand admin's functionalities. In real world pen testing job, you will have this kind of scenario where they will give basic access and the admin access. So this is given to check if any of the admin functionalities can be used by basic access user. So this should not be possible if proper access control was implemented. So we will check some admin functionality and see if normal user can use that. So let's access the lab. Okay, send this to Burp browser. So first we will log in as admin and check for some admin functionalities that we can test. So administrator, admin. So here we have admin panel. So click on this admin panel. So here we have a list. So admin is already admin, but normal user, which is Carlos for example, can also be upgraded to admin user. So I can also downgrade this user. So click on downgrade, and as you can see, the user got downgraded. So here we can select Wiener and we can upgrade user here, but that is not our intention. So we want Wiener user to use this functionality to do the upgrade himself. So let's log out from admin user. So click on my account and click on logout. So now again go to my account and log in as Wiener user. So here I do not have admin panel over here. So if Wiener user becomes admin, only then he can access this admin panel. So now let's go and check burp suite proxy HTTP history. So here if you see, first thing I did was I clicked on my account and I logged in as administrator and I went to admin panel, and here I tried to upgrade Carlos user, right? As you can see, username Carlos, action upgrade, right? And here I was able to downgrade that user. So this seems to be an important functionality that admin user can use. So right click and send this to repeater. We will take one of the request from Wiener user and also send that to the repeater for testing. So here I logged in, right? So when I log in, I got a new session cookie, and this session cookie will be used in a consequent request. So cookies identify that particular user. So as of now, I will send this to repeater. So here this is Wiener and this is admin. The only way to identify these users is by their session cookies. Let's go to the home page. Let's remove this and send home page. I got into the home page. So now this is Wiener user. So let's go to admin, and here you can see this as post request, and post request will contain some data over here, right? So we are trying to upgrade Carlos user. Let's see if Wiener user can do this. So go here, select this and paste it over here, and we also need the data, right? So right click, copy, go here, scroll down to the bottom, paste over here. So we are trying to upgrade Carlos user by having access of Wiener user. So let's send this. As you can see, we got unauthorized. So this is expected as Wiener user. So as a post request, this was not possible. Sometimes just by changing the post request to get request, some access control can be bypassed. So here I can change this manual to get or something like that, and copy this and paste it on the top right here. Or I can directly simply right click, change request method, right? So this functionality will do all those steps automatically. So as you can see, we change the post to get and also the data from the body to the URL. So you can also change it back by just clicking on this. Pretty cool, huh? So let's try to send this and see what happens. So as you can see, Carlos got upgraded. So can I also try to downgrade? But this time I'm going to change something interesting. In real world, if the post and get does not work, try to keep some random characters. So ASDF, something like that. So let's try to send this and see what happens. And as you can see, just by keeping random characters in the place of request method, we were able to bypass this access control. Now let's use this functionality to upgrade winner user. So I'm going to type upgrade and I will change it to something random. So this time I'm going to use HMCA, any type of request method. So let's send this, and as you can see, looks like we got upgraded and it is redirecting to admin panel. So let's go back to the browser, and as you can see, the lab is solved. But we were upgraded to admin user, right? So where is the admin functionality? So you can reload this page, and as you can see, admin panel is here, right? So you can click on this. If it was upgraded, you can actually downgrade this user. So let's try to give upgrade and the downgrade, right? So let's also try to do that for administrator user. So let's see if this is possible. Okay, so could not change user role because admin is just admin, right? So there is no alternative for this user. You can bypass this access control just by changing the request method. So hope you enjoyed this one. Check out the description for payloads and other resources. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.